Good day guys, being here. Today let's model this project, and it's basically a ramp. Okay, so I did one yesterday, and I think the size is not quite right, but um, the method will be the same. So just let's do it. Okay, so first let's create a project, and in this project, so go to so this is floor plan, so we're going to just draw some model line. So first I'm going to draw a circle, so roughly let's say 10-meter radius, and first we're going to draw, so pretend these are circle. Okay, so there will be 9 of them, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 of them. So let's just draw some circle, roughly 3-meter radius. So I'm going to just move this to here, and then I'll offset 1.5 meter. So because I'm going to model it as 1.5 meter wide. Okay, so 1.5. So this will be one of this circle, and because there are 9 of them, so I'm going to array AR and use AR space SC, pick the center point of this circle and click anywhere, go up. So you can use the formula. So if you don't know what number you need, so it will be 360 divided by 9. Okay, and then once again type the number 9, enter. So now we have 9 of this circle. So the next step is we need to so if this is one of the circle and this is another one, we will need to create the arc to connect these two. Okay, so here, so we need to create arc to connect this one and this one. So first let's select OSA on group, and then use SL split line to split the circle, and then let's delete part of this line, and then I'm going to select this model line CS, create similar, and then use fillet arc, and then pick this and pick this. So because in this image we can see the radius of this circle and this arc is quite similar, so I'm going to use the same. So this one will be 1.5. okay, so I'm going to use, oops, sorry, let's control Z. Once again, it's about 1.5. okay, so this one and this one, so this time will be roughly 3 meter. So now the distance or the width of this will be 1.5, so it will be consistent. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we just need to repeat this, and just delete those little lines. Okay, and then fillet. So CS, go fillet arc, and I'm going to use radius. Okay, so so one of them will be 1.5 meter, will be this one, so which is the outside exterior, so this line. So this one to this one, oops, sorry, go the other wrong direction. Let's try again. So this one and this one, oops, again, maybe let me just click here. Yeah, so here and here and oops, here and here. Yeah, and this one and which one? This one. Yeah, and then go up here. This one and which one? This one. Is that correct? And this one and this one. Then this one and this one. Then go up here, this one and this one. Yeah, all good. And then the 3 meter ones. So 3 meter. So this time will be this one to this one. No, not this one. Maybe we need to pick here, or not this one. 3 meter. So this one. So this one go to here. So this one need to go to here. Oh, let's try this one and this one. Yeah, this one too. So skip one. Yeah, so this one skip one to here, this one skip one to here. Oops, wrong direction. Let's try again. Here to here. Yeah, so this one to here, this one to here, and this one to this one, this one to this one. All good. Down. So this will be the, so if you look at this ramp from the top, oops, wrong one, sorry, it'll be something like this. Okay, so now we can create a ramp, but different to the stairs, because when you create stairs, you can choose left or right or center, but when you do ramp, you have only one option, so you can only pick the center line. So because currently what we have is the edge of this ramp, so what we need to do is offset. So offset, we need to create the center line of this ramp. So OF offset, and just type in 750. So that will be I'm going to just uncheck the copy, so and then tab and create this. Okay, so now this one, so tab, this is the center of the ramp, so we don't need this edge, we don't need this one, and we only need this. So now we can create a ramp. So let's go ramp, and before we create, we need to do some adjust in edit type. So the first one is the maximum incline length. Instead of 12 meter, let's type in 100 meter. And also the ramp slope, instead of 12, let's type 20. And apply and OK. And then also this height, instead of stop at level 1, let's just make it 100 meter. So it will always go up. Okay, so okay, so now go here, so click on the center end arc, and let's try maybe let's start from here. Okay, so this end. So once you click on center end arc, type SC, so to pick the center point of, you won't see this little circle there, but don't worry, just click on the line. Okay, so now we can pick the starting point, so which it will be here. Okay, and then go all the way up. We need to pick the point, but it looks like it won't let us to pick that. It was just stop here, so I'll just stop here and finish it. Okay, so we just need to figure, okay, it's here, so maybe I'll just create another line so I can tell where it is, and then go back to the ramp, edit sketch, click on this blue line, okay, blue line, and drag this to this end. So now finish this. So now this is the first ramp. So if we go 3D view, you will see this is the starting one. and then go back to ground floor again, so we can continue this ramp up. I mean, create another one. I tried to create one, but failed. If you find out how to do it, please let me know. Okay, so let's create another one. CS. Once again, center and arc. SC. Pick this edge and then start from this point. Go up to here. So once again, it won't let us to snap onto the end point. So I'll just stop here. So finish it. And then once again, I just need to figure out, it's here. So you can use detail line as well. So detail line is DL, model line. Detail line and model line is different. Okay. So edit sketch, drag this point to this end. Okay. So finish. Let's delete this detail line. So now these are two ramp. And also, now let's go to 3D view, because when we create the second ramp, we didn't change the base offset. So it will start from 0, same as this. But you can. So now I'm going to show you two methods to raise this ramp. So first one is go use annotate, spot elevation, pick this point. And figure out the exact height, so 510.5. So now I'll just delete this height, select the second ramp here, type in 510.5, so it will go up to match this ramp. Okay, so the other method is, let me just change this to 0. So the other method is you can go to elevation, or you can just click on the face of this cube and then copy the second ramp. So CC, and let's pick the top face, which is this line, and press Shift and click here. So now you will see we copied this ramp up from ground level to here. So same, you will see this then the same height here to this level. So delete the original one, and then that's it. Okay. So then the next step, you can continue model the ramp, use, so let's CS, create similar, and use this one, SC, and start from here, finish. Yeah, we probably need to just stop here, finish it again, and then just check it's here. So let's just edit sketch, click on this blue line, drag this to this end, and finish. Sorry, looks like I changed the width of this ramp. That's okay, so we can just change this one. So I think these are 1.5 meter. You can just type it here. Okay, and then you can, so that's the first option, you can do it this to get the level, so 867.2, and type it in 86 sorry, I forgot about 867.2. Yeah, or you can do it, you can use the same second method, just copy it up. And also, let me just delete this one. And the other way to do it is, because this will be the same, or this one will be the same as these two. So what you can do is select these two, and we're going to use rotate. So RO, rotate, and space, and pick the center point of this circle. So you can use snap SC and pick this circle. Now start from, because we know that from here to here will be 40 degrees, so which means from here to here will be 80. So click anywhere and then up, type in 80, and then sorry, I forgot to check the copy. Control Z, let's do it again. 1 2 RO, sorry, I click on RP. RO space SC, pick this circle anywhere. Oh, don't forget, copy anywhere, and then 80. So now we have another 2, and you will see that, let's just check the line on the, it looks like it should start from here. So what we can do is just edit sketch of this ramp and then drag this up to match this one. So finish it, and then now we have another 2. So now we just need to go to 3D view and go right, and then maybe not right, maybe let's go to this view, and then try to, so select this one and this one. So you can use CC, click on this, shift and click. So now we have another 2 which match the level of the previous 2. Okay, so we can delete these 2, and then we have 4 of them. And then you can once again select these 4, rotate with copy, and then copy them up, and then you will have 8, and then 8 become 16. And I think how many do we need? Sorry, we don't need 16. We need 1 2 3 4 5. Let me check how many lines we have. Shift. So we need we need 18 of them. So which means you just copy, become 8, and copy another one, become 16, and then you will need to model another 2. So I will stop here. I will stop here. Let me just I'll model this, and let's just see how it looks once I finish this. Okay, so I'll pause. Okay, so after a few rotate and copy, so this is what we have. And then you can so you can extend. So in this image you can see it go to the middle and then stop there in the middle. So you can also do that. You can just draw another ramp and finish it in the middle. So that's it. I will stop here. So just have a play. So this is a big ramp, and we just built this using all individual. I think will be 17 of them. I think I missed one. So yeah, I missed this one, but yeah, this one will become go straight in the middle, maybe do a circle. That's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll upload this so you can have a look if you want to. Oh, hang on quickly. So this balustrade, it's all solid, so we can very quickly do it. Okay, so let's do it. For this, you can, what we are going to do is we can just do a handrail. So it can be a handrail or top rail. So let's just let's do it as a top rail. how about do it as a top rail? So what we need to do is we need to create a profile first. So let's go profile. Okay, so we need to draw. So let's just draw, let's make it higher, 1200. Okay, so safer, right? 1200, and maybe like this. I'll just move it to the center maybe, so that will be the profile of that the railing, so the balustrade. So load this into the project, and so go, oops, wrong one. So go select this railing, edit type. So I'm going to just duplicate. Okay, so let's call it a solid, and then railing structure. So I'm going to so there's nothing, that's fine. Balustrade. So I'll remove everything here. So change this to none, uncheck this, change this to none, change this to none, change this to none, and okay. So now here, top rail, we're going to use top rail for this. So because we in the profile we draw it from a level, from the reference level to the top. So for this height we don't need it anymore, so just change it to 0. And for this one, just click here. So we're going to duplicate this top rail style, sorry, top rail type. Okay, so let's call it solid 1200. Okay, and okay. So now we need to select the profile. So go fine. So this is the one, and hang everything else. Let's just leave them. So you can change the material if you want to, and everything else should be okay. So let's click OK and OK. So you will see this part become solid, and then we can just select all of them, solid, and that's it. Okay, so very simple. Yep, that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye.